The reason why pornography is going to hurt you so bad is that you want to be a lion, right? Do you think if they took a wild lion, and that wild lion was fed meat, they threw him packages of meat, you know what would happen to that lion? Just becomes a house cat, a domesticated house cat. The problem with technology and porn is that men are becoming house cats, tamed house cats. If you want to be a wild lion, don't give yourself porn. Take away porn and turn yourself into a wild animal freak lion who will go out and hunt and get with real life women. Real life women. Be a wild lion. Don't be a tamed house cat. The food is being just thrown to him, and he's just makes you lazy, man. Just gets you lazy. Be a wild cat. It's in you. You got that wild cat in you, I guarantee it.